You ever walk into your kitchen thinking, why does cooking still feel so hard in 2026? You chop vegetables, they go everywhere. You cook chicken, then spend forever shredding it. You serve food, and 5 minutes later, it's already cold. Meanwhile, the internet is going crazy over kitchen gadgets that are saving people time, energy, and frustration every single day. And today, I'm showing you 10 viral kitchen gadgets on Amazon that everyone is buying in 2026. Gadgets that actually make cooking easier, faster, and honestly, way more fun. So stay till the end, because the last one might completely change how you use your pans forever. Number 1. Fullstar Original Pro Chopper. Let's start with a problem almost everyone hates. You want to cook something fresh, but the moment you start chopping onions, tomatoes, or cucumbers, your kitchen turns into chaos. Pieces flying everywhere, uneven cuts, watery eyes, and way too much cleanup. That's where the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper steps in, and there's a reason this thing went viral on TikTok. Instead of slowly cutting everything by hand, you simply place your vegetables inside, press down, and boom. Perfectly chopped food drops straight into the built-in container. What makes this one special is the interchangeable stainless steel blades, which let you dice, slice, or spiralize depending on what you're cooking. Meal prep that used to take 20 minutes now takes about 2 or 3. It also stays stable thanks to its non-slip base, and when you're done, you just toss the parts into the dishwasher. If you've ever said, I want to eat healthier but I don't have time, this gadget feels like it was made specifically for you. And wait, because the next gadget pairs perfectly with this one. Number 2. Chicken Shredder Tool. Twist. Alright, be honest. How many times have you cooked chicken and then struggled to shred it with 2 forks? Your hands get tired, the chicken slides everywhere, and it never looks like those perfect shredded pieces you see online. This Chicken Shredder Tool Twist completely fixes that problem. You drop your cooked chicken inside, close the lid, twist it left and right, and in seconds, the meat turns into evenly shredded pieces. What makes it even better is the clear lid, so you can literally see the shredding happening and stop exactly when the texture looks right. It has strong anti-slip grips underneath, so it doesn't move while twisting, and the ergonomic handle makes it effortless. This is perfect for tacos, sandwiches, salads, wraps, meal prep bowls, basically anything involving shredded meat. If you love quick protein meals, this one is dangerously satisfying to use. And trust me, the next gadget is something you don't even realize you need until you see it. Number 3. Extra Large Food Warming Mat. Have you ever cooked a full meal only to realize half the food gets cold before everyone even sits down? That's one of the most frustrating parts of hosting. This extra large food warming mat solves that problem beautifully. Instead of reheating dishes again and again, you simply place your plates, bowls, or serving trays on the mat, and it keeps everything warm at the perfect temperature. It has multiple heat levels, timer settings, and even a child lock, which makes it extremely safe for family homes. The large surface fits multiple dishes at once, making it perfect for family dinners, parties, or holiday meals. And unlike bulky warmers, this one lays flat, looks clean on the table, and works with glass, ceramic, and stainless steel dishes. Once you use something like this, going back to cold food feels illegal. Now let's talk about something almost every kitchen uses daily. Number 4. Comfy. Electric kettle mornings are chaotic. You want tea or coffee fast, but waiting forever for water to boil feels unnecessary in 2026. The Comfy's electric kettle boils water incredibly fast thanks to its powerful heating system. You fill it, press one button, and within minutes your water is ready. No stove, no microwave, no guessing. It's made with food-grade stainless steel, has automatic shutoff, and boil-dry protection, meaning it turns itself off once the water is done. The cool touch handle and 360-degree swivel base make it comfortable and safe to use daily. Whether you drink tea, coffee, instant noodles, or need hot water for cooking, this is one of those quiet kitchen upgrades that instantly improves your routine. Number 5. Dash Fresh Pop Popcorn Maker. Movie night at home sounds great, until you realize microwave popcorn never tastes quite right. This Dash Fresh Pop Popcorn Maker uses hot air instead of oil, which means lighter, fresher popcorn in minutes. You pour the kernels in, turn it on, and watch popcorn explode out like a mini movie theater experience. The measuring cup doubles as a butter melting tray, which is honestly genius. It's compact, easy to store, and surprisingly fun to use, especially with kids or guests. If you love snacks but want something homemade and quick, this gadget hits that sweet spot perfectly, And now we're moving into serious kitchen power. Number 6. Cuisinart 14-cup food processor. This is the heavy hitter. If chopping, slicing, shredding, and kneading all feel exhausting, the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor basically replaces half your kitchen tools. It can mince vegetables, shred cheese, puree sauces, mix dough, and even make dips like hummus or guacamole effortlessly. The large feed tube allows you to add big ingredients without cutting them first, and the powerful motor handles tough jobs smoothly. Compared to smaller choppers, this one is made for people who cook often, meal prep regularly, or cook for families. If the Full-Star chopper is perfect for quick daily prep, this one is your full kitchen workhorse. And coming next, something surprisingly underrated. Number 7. Arosian stock pot with fryer basket. Sometimes you don't want multiple pots cluttering your stove. This Arosian stainless steel stock pot comes with a deep fryer basket, which instantly makes it multifunctional. You can boil pasta, cook soups, steam vegetables, or fry foods using the same pot. The basket also works great for draining and rinsing ingredients. It's compatible with all stovetops, distributes heat evenly, and includes clear measurement markings inside. For people who cook often but prefer simplicity, this kind of multi-purpose cookware is extremely practical, and there's a slightly upgraded version coming next. Number 8. Iosian stock pot with foldable fryer basket. This version improves on the previous one by adding a foldable basket, which makes storage easier and functionality better. You can use it for frying, straining pasta, washing vegetables, or even serving food. It's one of those tools that doesn't look flashy, but once you have it, you use it constantly. Sometimes viral gadgets aren't about trends. They're about convenience done right. Now wait until you see this next one, because it solves a problem almost no one talks about. Number 9. Pan Buddy vertical handle. If you've ever lifted a heavy pan, especially cast iron, you know the wrist pain is real. The Pan Buddy attaches vertically to your pan handle and changes the way weight is distributed. Instead of stressing your wrist, the weight shifts toward your forearm, making heavy cookware much easier to lift and control. It also reduces heat transfer, meaning you don't constantly need oven mitts. This is especially helpful for people with wrist pain, arthritis, or anyone who regularly uses heavy pans. Simple idea, massive difference. And finally, one more powerhouse to close this list. Number 10. Cuisinart 14-cup food processor. Why it's still viral. Yes, this processor deserves another mention because in 2026, it's still one of the most trusted kitchen machines online. What keeps it viral isn't trends, it's reliability. People buy it once and use it for years. From daily cooking to weekend meal prep, it consistently saves time and effort. If you're building a serious kitchen setup, this is often the final upgrade that completes everything. So quick recap. You've got smart choppers for fast prep, a chicken shredder for protein meals, a warming mat for serving perfection, a fast electric kettle, a popcorn maker for fun nights, powerful food processors, multi-use stock pots, and even a handle that makes heavy pans easier to lift. Bonus tip, combine 2 or 3 of these together, like the chopper, shredder, and processor, and your total cooking time can drop by more than half. Now I want to know, which one of these kitchen gadgets would you actually use first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Share this with someone who loves kitchen gadgets, and don't forget to subscribe for more viral Amazon finds, smart kitchen tools, and honest reviews every single week. This is Kitchen Plug, and I'll see you in the next one.